Good morning, everyone. I am T. Sharmila, studying 9th class at ZPHS Gupagurti, Konjala Mandal. Today, my topic is the impact of technology on our lives. Can you imagine a single day without your mobile phone on the internet? No WhatsApp, no Instagram, no YouTube, no Google, and not even online classes. Just imagine waking up and finding your phone switched off. How many of you would panic anything? Most of us would because technology has become a part of our daily life. Last month my phone suddenly broke. No apps, no calls, no messages. At first I felt completely lost. I kept reaching for my phone but it was not there. But something interesting happened. I started noticing small things around me. I sat with my parents and talked without checking my screen every 2 minutes. I read a storybook after a long time. I went for a walk and actually enjoyed the fresh air. I even helped mother in the kitchen and to my surprise we had fun together. That 1 week made me realize how many beautiful moments I was missing because of screens. Technology is a great blessing. It helps us learn anything instantly with a single search, connect with friends and family, attend online classes and watch educational videos, use maps, calculators and translation apps, create content, code, design and explore our creativity. But at the same time, technology can also become a problem if you don't use it responsible. Research says teenagers spend 6 to 8 hours per day on screens. Too much screen time can cause stress, headaches, and poor sleep. Social media sometimes makes us compare ourselves with others and feel low. Constant notifications reduce our focus and affect studies. We are more connected online than ever before, but often more disconnected in real life. Sometimes we know everything happening on the internet, but we don't notice what is happening in our homes. So what can we do? We don't need to throw away our phones. We just need to manage them smartly. Can we spend 1 hour less on our phones every day? Can we avoid scrolling social media late at night? Can we keep our phone away while studying? Can we spend little time reading, exercising or talking to our parents? Imagine what we could achieve even of the time we waste on meaningless scrolling. Technology should improve our life, not control it. Remember, technology is like fire. If you use it wisely, it can light up our world. If you misuse it, it can burn our time, our health and our peace. Do we control the screen or the screen control us? The power to balance life and screens is in our hands. Technology is a tool, not our master. Let's use it to grow, to learn and to become better, not distracted. Are you ready to take control? Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.